Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study faster than others. Start by setting a clear outcome for each session and use a timer to enforce focused intervals. Choose one high-impact task first and remove phone notifications. Combine active recall with spaced repetition and test yourself often. Keep sessions short and consistent so you build momentum without burning out. In this video, I will show how to study faster than others. Begin each session by recalling what you learned last time, then quiz yourself on new material. Create concise notes that force explanation and connect ideas visually. Switch subjects to avoid cognitive fatigue and use brief, regular reviews. Focus on high-yield concepts and practice problems to convert passive reading into durable knowledge. In this video, I will show how to study faster than others. Quick recommendation: if you like neat study sessions, pick up those leak-proof meal prep containers for easy snacks and fewer spills during long reviews. They make transitions smoother and save cleanup time, which means more focused study minutes. If you want the link and other deals, check the description below, and please subscribe and like if this helped. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to study faster than others. Make your study space reliable, tidy, and only for studying to build a mental trigger for focus. Limit multitasking and set a simple ritual like making tea before you start. Use a visible timer and short, scheduled breaks to maintain energy. Small environmental tweaks yield steady improvements in productivity and retention.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.